You'll begin to notice that when you begin routing pipe in Plant 3D, you'll see a compass appear. And what I'm talking about is whenever you select a piece of pipe and you go ahead and you continue with the pipe routing, you're going to see this compass appear out here. And it allows you to draw in a polar method much the same way that you do in regular AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, we call these the grip snap settings. So in Plant, we have a way of setting these snaps and ticks as well. If you go to here, you can enable the tick marks. Over here is where you can set them. You can either reset them or you can put them in or type in a specific increment that you need. This will toggle the snaps on, this tool, and this is where you can enter your snap increments. This will be if you want to activate a tolerance, and this will be if you want to toggle the compass on and off as well. Now you have a drop down here that you can use. You can change the color of the compass. If your tolerances were enabled, then you can set the degrees for the tolerance that you have. You can also change the size of the compass. Perhaps 300 is a little large for you. You can reduce that down to 100. And then whenever you select it, you'll see that you have a much smaller compass. Now, another thing that we need to take a look at is whenever you do route pipe, you may need to go outside of the plane that you're given. So let's go ahead and start routing some pipe here. And let's say that this is not the plane that you want to route in. So in most cases, you can use the control, hold down your control key and give a right click. And if you notice, that plane changed as well. Another option you have is to go down to here where it says plane in your command prompt, and you'll notice that changes your plane as well. And then finally, the other way that you have, you can enter in the letter P and hit enter, and then that will also change your plane. So that's just a few tips for using your compass to make routing pipe a little bit easier for you.